Hello everyone, so it's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. I'm really excited. And now we know Christmas isn't complete without gift sharing and most importantly, without family coming together and having a wonderful meal. So today I'll be making a national treasure. Like, this is what Nigeria hold dear to their heart. It's jollof rice. We're making jollof rice and chicken. So I'm starting by adding adobo into the bowl. I've just added thyme into it, and today I'm revealing my special secret weapon. It's none other than AJI-NO-MOTO. Just one AJI-NO-MOTO into it and you're good to go. Don't forget what went into the chicken. Thyme, a little bit of adobo, and of course AJI-NO-MOTO. I've been preheating the oven for a while at about 250. So the next thing we'll be making is our jollof rice. First, we want to add in our vegetable oil. The pepper mix is made from tomatoes, atarudo, tatashi, and onions, all blended together. So just add in your pepper mix. This steamed tomato would give it that red color. So curry and thyme goes in, seasoning cubes go in, a pinch of salt goes in, and of course, the secret ingredient, the ingredient that makes everything pop, AJI-NO-MOTO. So we let that sit in there and cook for a while. Our chicken has been cooking for over an hour. It is exactly where we want it to be. It looks really juicy. And the next thing we want to do is glaze it with honey and put it back right into the oven for another extra 30 minutes. And by that time, your chicken is ready to be served. So our sauce has been cooking away and we want to add in our rice. Okay, stir it a little because you know you can't actually stir your jollof rice again because it will end up burning. Now you've stirred, just add in enough water, just enough water to cook your jollof rice. Our chicken looks really good and juicy. Our jollof rice is actually ready and I'm really excited for my guests and they're just waiting, really waiting to come and have a taste of this delicious meal.
So delicious. I feel like eating more.
And on behalf of AJI-NO-MOTO, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year.